Hey everyone, I hope this finds you well. Andy Spoons here, and I just wanted to take a second to send a massive thank you to Tormek Sharpening and Promac in Australia for shipping me out um, some really exciting stuff. I'm really excited about this. I have been on the phone with Michael at Promac on and off for quite a while now, and he has just sent me the full range of the diamond wheels, the DE, DF, and DC 200, so that they fit for the T4. The other thing that was sent through, which was honestly one of the most exciting parts of this, is one of their, it's called a multi-base, it's the MB100, and essentially what this does is this allows me to be able to utilize the side of the diamond wheel. So, for example, in green woodworking, the Scandi grind is a really common grind. It's something I'll get into a video about different grind types, profiles, and their benefits, and all of that kind of thing in a later video. But the complete flat grind is a really handy thing to have. Some might say essential thing to have for a lot of green woodworking tools. And so what this allows me to now do, whereas usually you would be working on the wheel, which gives you a very slight hollow. Obviously, the smaller the wheel, the more aggressive the hollow. Still not a massive amount, but when you are working with a completely flat edge, you do create a hollow that often either needs to be flattened so that you have a flat over hollow, or you're working with what some might say is a slightly weaker edge. So in the sense of axes, I really do like to either do a very strong flat over hollow or a Scandi. I wasn't able to do that with the jig system effectively on previous kind of mounting systems on the Tormek. So I'm really excited to see what I'm able to do with this MB100. Again, a massive thank you to Michael at Promac and everyone at Tormek. It is a really exciting part of the journey. Sharpening for me is something that I love doing. I find it really meditative. I think respecting your tools and honoring your tools is a really important part of the craft for myself personally. And being able to have such a wonderful system is a huge thing. It really does make a lot of difference to me. So thank you so much. I look forward to kind of giving you my thoughts on all of these. I'm going to be putting them all through the work. Axes, Sloyd knives, hook knives. I'm going to be basically testing it on everything that I can. Maybe even seeing if I can find some ways to utilize it in maybe an unconventional manner. Yeah, it's going to be a really interesting journey to see how all of this works and fits into my process. So I look forward to having you all along on that journey.